Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to do layering your clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. Alright, so if we want to have the scenic video play with the waterfall audio, we will first grab our scenic video, so they're both on the left hand side. We'll drag that down into our sequence box. And now we will grab the waterfall clip, and we can drag that and put it over top of the scenic video. So the waterfall will be underneath, the waterfall audio will be underneath the scenic video's audio. And the waterfall, as you can see here, is going to be playing in the visual. So first we want to get rid of the scenic video's audio. So we will unlink the clip and then delete the audio. So now we will just have the waterfall audio. And now if we want the scenic video's visual, we will unlink the waterfall clip and we will delete the visual. So now we have the scenic, visual, and the waterfall audio. And that is how you do some layering in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.